Welcome back to our channel. Let's take a quiz on the items used in cricket. What do players use to hit the ball? Bat, spoon or brush? A bat is used to hit the ball. What is small and round in cricket? Ball, plate or toy? A ball is used to bowl or throw. What do players wear on their heads for safety? Helmet, cap or crown? A helmet protects the head. What do players wear on their hands while batting? Gloves, socks or shoes? Gloves keep hands safe. What protects the legs from the ball? Pads, pants or belt? Pads protect the legs from getting hurt. What do players wear on their feet? Shoes, gloves or cap? Shoes help players run and play. What do wicket keepers wear on their hands? Wicket keeping gloves, boxing gloves, mittens. These gloves help catch the ball. What three sticks stand behind the batsman? Stumps, stools, pipes. Stumps are part of the wicket. What is worn on the chest for safety? Chest guard, shirt or jacket? A chest guard protects the chest. What is the full outfit players wear called? Jersey, pajama, coat. Jerseys are the team's uniform. Thank you for watching our channel. Like, share and subscribe.